Welcome to Study Loop.
For this question, you need to know the number of bonds per atom. And when you look at figure 2944, you can calculate this to be 3. So the number of bonds per atom is 3. Okay. And we know that the latent energy or heat of fusion is equal to the energy put in, so we can call this Q, divided by the mass. Now, we know the energy, but we don't know the mass. Okay. So we know the number of bonds per atom there are. Over the number of atoms. And then we also know the number of atoms per mole. And then we can have that there. So number of atoms per mole. And this equation is equal to number of bonds per mole. Okay. So now, if you think about it, we know the number of bonds per mole, and we're looking for the latent energy heat of fusion, which is joules per mole. So looking at the units, we can see that we're on the right lines. So L is then equal to 3 divided by 1 using the equation above, multiplied by Avogadro's constant times 10 to the 23 number of atoms over 1 mole, and all this is multiplied by the energy, which is 3.4 times 10 to the minus 3 electron volts, but we want this in joules, so we multiply by a further 1.6 times 10 to the minus 19. Okay. And then we get this answer to be 983 joules per mole.